Alright guys, today we're working on a Jeep Commander 2006 rear wheel drive. We're replacing the wheel bearing, rear wheel bearing. Well, as you guys can see, I already started on it. Remove the tire, the brake caliper, and the rotors. So in order to remove the rotor, all you gotta do is remove this brake caliper. You get access to it. Then after that, there's 4 bolts on the back, 18 millimetric 18. Just remove it. But this thing is gonna be like it's stuck inside. You have to pry it out to get it. I'll show you guys how. First, I'm gonna start tapping. Now you get that crack right there. You can choose screwdriver, flathead, whatever you get, and try to stick it in there so that way you have to stick it in there when you have it in the hole, and then you're gonna start prying. Don't worry, you're not gonna hurt nothing, because the seals and all the stuff they weigh in there, like way too far in to hit them. Okay, let me go ahead and do this and start prying, and I will come back to you guys. Well guys, as you can see, already separated a little bit. See how you see it's spraying out. There's gonna be a little bit of oil dripping, not a big mess, just a little bit. You may want to get a rag or something under it. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little tip, mainly like a tip. Okay, what you guys want to do, you guys want to keep these separate like this. Okay, you guys keep it separate like that, and then you're gonna get a Garfield to get that O-ring right there that you can see right there, to get them out. That will make your job very, very, very easy. Let me go ahead and do it so you can. Let me go ahead and show you to you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. Give me a second. Alright guys, I got my Garfield right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's the tool. Okay, what I'm gonna do is to get it in there and get that big O-ring out of the bearing. Okay, it's out, as you can see. Now you guys want to do, separate this plate from this right here. This is the brake caliper base or mount, or whatever you guys call it. That's how I know it for. And you don't have to tap again on this side. Start getting the wheel bearing separate from these plates and your e-brake shoes. Okay, let me go ahead and do it. I maybe won't be able to show it to you guys at the moment doing it and recording, because I'm by myself and I can hold and tap, and so I will show you after I tap a little bit on it. That's how it looks with the bearing out. Easy. I remember, guys, you gotta remove this O-ring to make it easy, even in the new one. Remove it, stick it inside there as far as you can. See, that way you won't damage it. And what you're gonna do is to put your bearing inside. You have to lift a little bit. Something like that. I will need my second hand, so I'll be back to you guys. Okay guys, I am back. I'm sorry my cell phone died, but like I say, everything is just, you just have to do, you just have to go on reverse. I'm sorry guys, but my cell phone died, so I'm just showing you the finished product. But I mean, whatever, everything that I showed you before is those are the steps to follow. There's much there's not a special tool needed or anything like that. You just need some flathead screwdrivers. Remove the caliper, the rotors, and those 4 bolts on the back. And then you start prying, tapping, prying. And to get it in, it's the same way. You have to tap in here, side, up, on the sides and up. That's all the process. So, and like I say, the O-ring, the same way that I show you how to remove it, and I'll show you how to get it in. Like I said, you just push it in before you put the wheel bearing in, or the hub assembly. You get the new O-ring of the wheel bearing. You stick it in inside the cavity of the axle, and then you mount your hub assembly or wheel bearing, whatever you want to call it. Once it's on the back, just like say the same way that I took it off, it's the same process to put it back in. And I like I say, I'm sorry guys, my cell phone died and I'm by myself and all, and I had to keep going. You know, I couldn't not wait to get my phone charged. But I mean, if you got any question, just leave it on the comments below, and I will answer, or I will try to answer the best I can. Thanks for watching.